Why are you still pretending to be a copywriter when you suck at it? I see it all day long. Founders spending 3 hours writing one email. CMOs approving mediocre ad copy. Marketers staring at blank screens hoping for inspiration. And the worst part? You're paying thousands for this struggle. Look, it's 2025. The game has changed. Wasting hours staring at a blank screen to write one simple email, hiring copywriters for thousands per month, or even wasting your mental sanity to ChatGPT are all outdated solutions that lead to nothing but terrible results. In 2025, businesses are turning towards Copywhiz.ai, the world's first AI copywriting tool trained to write like a real copywriter, and outperforms most so-called real copywriters you'd hire on sites like Upwork. Just enter a couple lines of input, and there you have it, a piece of copy that will not only outperform the work you pay thousands for, but will save you a shit ton of time.
If you'd like to give it a shot, sign up to www.copywhiz.ai today and check it out yourself. If you happen to be the next 100 people to use code REELS20, you can get a cheeky 20% off on your subscription for the next few months. Good luck.